Hey y'all, so today's at-home quarantine protective styling is brought to you by these quotation mark essential items. Today I went to pick up some Lotta Body mousse, a brush, some black gel, and some hairpins. So I'm gonna start off with spritzing my hair with this water and taking a brush and just kind of reactivating that product that I put in my hair for the last video I uploaded. And then I follow that by taking a little gel, molding my hair back as if I'm about to put it into a ponytail, and I am going to then put my headband and, well, actually I'm going to comb out any knots or any parts that I see that needs to be combed out for the ponytail. And I'm going to take this headband and use it as my foundation for my makeshift ponytail, because it's not really a ponytail, it's just a puff. And I am going to take my edge control, my J. Nicole Custom Stronghold edge control that I finally found from when I went to Texas. This is literally the only edge control I have left until my shipment comes in, and then y'all will be able to purchase it as well. So as you can see, I'm just using it to kind of just go ahead and direct my the motion of my the way my hairs fall naturally, I guess you would say. And just using it to kind of give it a little direction, nothing too much though. So I'm gonna place this on, and I'm gonna follow this with my Lotta Body mousse. I absolutely love this mousse. It has a really nice hold, it's not sticky, and it smells really good. And as you can see, it speaks for itself. It literally defines the curls in the matter of like 5 seconds. If you have a softer texture or a looser texture, this could probably just work, and you don't even have to follow it up with gel, just depending on your hair texture. But because of mine, I do need something a little bit heavier to hold down and define my curls. So that's what I'm gonna follow it up with, using that black gel. Say hey to Carter. It's my sidekick, y'all. He literally will always have a cameo as long as I'm filming at home. So I am going to follow it up with the gel. As you can see, I'm pointing out because I'm like, D, she popping. Them curls look good already. I will mention though, like, I didn't get it as defined as I wanted it to in the middle because I did not have my mirror and I wasn't checking the back. I was just going based off what my husband was saying. He said it looked good. He could tell the difference. So I'm like, all right, bet. And basically what I'm doing to define the curls is just taking each piece and just kind of spiraling it in a spiraling motion, and I can kind of see what curls are already curled from that mousse and what needs to be defined a little bit more. But you can definitely tell the difference, and it's just a cute, easy, quick style that you can do. You don't have to be looking crazy by the head. Do not feel defeated by your natural hair if you are not able to get to the salon right now. Just try and work with it. Put your hands in it, play with it, and see what you come up with. I also have a lot of tutorials, DIY tutorials on my channel that you can check out, that you can for sure try out at home while we have this time to spare. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will see y'all at my next one. Make sure you thumbs up, like, and subscribe.